Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block someone from seeing your Facebook posts. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first, click on your Play Store, search for Facebook, make sure that is updated to the latest version. Once done, click on Open. And then on this page, click on the three lines. Click onto the little gear icon. And then on this page, you want to click on under Tools and Resources, Privacy Checkup. And then click on Who Can See What You Share. And then click on Continue. And then here, and then click to the next page, click on Next. And here, and where it says Default Audience, where it says Friends, click on that. And then click on Friends Accept. And then here, just find the friend who you don't want to see your Facebook post anymore. So I'm going to click on Alex. And then as you can see, there's a little red symbol next to his name. So just keep doing that. Find the people who you don't want to see your Facebook posts anymore. And now these people won't be able to see my Facebook posts anymore. So yeah, thanks for watching this video to the very end. And please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.